Are you tired of boring backgrounds ruin your video vibes? Do you want to transport your viewers to new dimensions without breaking the bank? Well, you are in luck today as I'm about to share a game-changing tutorial on how to change your video background like a pro, where you don't get to see rough backgrounds anymore. Whether you're a YouTuber, a social media influencer, a content creator, or just starting out online, this video is for you. So stick here while I show you what you need to do to get a clean, clear background that will suit your face. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joy and this is Joy TV, where we talk about business ideas, business tips, how to start your business, how to grow your business, and then we spice it up with biblical principles, the principles that will guide you like it did in the times of old, guided King Solomon, David, and the rest in making prosperity and wealth in their business. Those are the things we do here. So today I'm going to show you how to change your video background, so you need not worry anymore when you want to make videos of the walls of your house or the environment where you are, thinking that, oh, this will not prove who you really are, or want to show off online. Don't worry, I've got you covered, right? So we dive into it, but before then, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them. And then if you are a return subscriber, thank you for always being here. Thank you. God bless you. And so we go right into the training aspect. See you in class. All right, guys, we dive into the practical aspects of this training. Okay, so the app we are going to be using for this training is CapCut. So if you don't have the CapCut app, you can go to Play Store and download the CapCut app. If you already have it, you just open it. Okay, so the first thing you need to follow, there are rules that you need to follow in order to get a perfect video. Okay, that is not going to show any form of unrealistic things. Like, we want a background that is very realistic, that looks so real that people will not even know there was anything that was done to the background of the video, right? We want a perfect video, because there are some videos that after changing the background, you see it shaking. Okay, there's always that shaking thing that will make people know that this background is not the real background the person has used. But what we want to achieve here is a clear background of our video. Okay, that it will not even show that there was anything done to it. It wouldn't even know when we know that it's a fake background. Okay, so the first thing is to go with these rules in order to get a perfect video at the end of your editing. Okay, so number one rule is to ensure you have a clear background behind you, meaning the background you're using for your video should be clear, that the colors would not be fighting each other. It should be a clear background. Nothing should be behind you. Okay, everything at the background should be clear. Nothing should be behind you, because it is an AI that is going to edit this, and if there are things behind you, the AI might not really understand it, and that is when the act of shaking during the video comes up. Okay, so because we don't want the video to shake, we don't want people to know that it's a fake background, we wouldn't allow anything, object or whatsoever, to be at the background of our video. Okay, then the second thing is the color of your outfit, that is the clothes you're putting on, should differ from the color of the background, because if it's the same, it could affect your outfit too. Okay, when editing the background later, so you should ensure that the clothes you're putting in your outfit, the color differs from the color of the wall that you're using, that is the background you're using, because it will make it easier for you to change the background later. Then the third thing is to ensure that there are no shadows behind you. You should ensure there's no shadow behind, because if there are shadows behind you, it could affect your face after your video edit. Okay, so because we want a perfect work, I've divided this video training into 3 parts. The first part is setting up your filming space. Ensure you have good lighting and a clear background behind you. Good lighting and a clear background behind you. Nothing should be added to the background, okay? Do not allow any object or anything behind you, right? So that we get a perfect work. And the step 2 is choosing your background image. When choosing a background image, ensure the background image is appropriate for the context of your video. You don't pick an image that reflects makeup for a video that is talking about how to cook, okay? So your background image or background, anything you want to use, should reflect the context of your video. Then step 3, editing your video. This is where the work is done, right? And the app we're going to use, like I said, is the CapCut app, right? So what you do is to open your CapCut app from your phone, then you tap on expand. Okay, then under the expand you see different features there. It used to be text to image, but right now after they upgraded it became AI poster. So you tap on AI poster. All right, we're here now. We have the smart script, we have the advanced script. Okay, you can decide to use anyone that you want to use. As the same thing and the same context it will bring for you, though the advanced make it more advanced, right? Then here we are using the smart scripts, right? So the first thing is to come below here. You see settings. You see settings below here. Then you click on size. Under the setting we have size, we have category. Okay, so under size you click there and pick anything you want here. If it's an Instagram post, you pick Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover photo, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube video, Twitter tweet. Okay, so you just pick anyone that reflects what you want to do. Okay, for this purpose we are using the video, YouTube video. You click on it, it comes down here. Then you click on the category. What category? What is your video all about? Because what your video is all about is what should reflect at the background of your video, right? Because we want a professional work, right? So if you're under food and beverage, your video is talking about food and beverage, you can decide to go with that. Okay, that will showcase things that goes in line with your video. But for this purpose we are using household, so we click on household. Then here is where you type your prompts. Okay, if you look above here you see different things there. If you read this prompt now, seeing the images at the top here, it reflects what prompt we have here. Okay, a product display poster showcasing women's jacket, offering a glimpse into their feet and styles. Okay, so that's why we have all this image here, but for the purpose we are not using this prompt, so we delete the prompt. Then you type in your own prompt. Okay, now we have a beautifully furnished white wall sitting room with chairs and a center table, a bookshelf, a television set, flower vase close to the television set, and by the bookshelf too. Okay, you can decide to write your prompt the way you want. Just think, what kind of background do you like? What do you want to showcase? How beautiful do you want it to be? Just think. It's this thinking thing. When you think, you'll be able to get that picture you have in your mind of the kind of background you need is what you will use to type in your prompts. Okay, then you click on generate. Images are generating, and so you have beautiful image showing here, background. So if you want more, you can click on more. It keeps coming on and on and on and on. So out of all these, you're going to pick anyone that you love, anyone that you like. Okay, let's say we are picking something like this. Okay, then you click on edit, because you have to remove many things there. Click on edit, edit, edit. You have to remove many things there. You delete all the write-ups, delete them, delete them, delete them. Okay, then you click on the image, you expand it to how you want it to be. in some of the image, you might not need to expand, you might not need to do anything, just because we don't want it the way it came out. So we expand, we open it up to befit what we really want. Okay, that's why we are editing. Okay, you can decide to go with this. If you don't like it, you can go back and pick anyone you like. So by the time you are done with the edit, you click on export. So it's gone to your gallery, click done, then you go back. If you want to pick any other one, you can do that. Okay, you can decide to do that. You go back, then you check on any other one you would like to use. You just play around it, pick anything you want. Then when you're done, you click here and go back. If you don't like all this image, you can generate more. Okay, then you quit if you're done. Then it takes you back to the part where we do our edit. Okay, so the first thing first is to click on new projects. New project. Okay, then you pick the video you want to edit. Add, and it brings you here. Okay, while you're here, you search for background. Okay, then you click on, if you need to use color background, you can use any of this, but that is not what what we want to use, what we want to do, right? So we click on image. It is image, is the background image that we are changing. Okay, so it's going to load out all the images on your gallery. So if you're picking any of these, you pick, but what we are using is the image in our gallery, okay, that have been saved. So I have other images here. You can decide to pick anyone. I can decide to pick the one I just used now. I can decide to pick this. I can decide to pick any one. The one I downloaded right now, I can decide to use it, but for this purpose, I want to use this one. So you click on it. Apply to all. Okay, so after the background image, you've clicked on the background image you want to use, you then search for remove background. Okay, remove background, then you click on auto remover. Do you get this? So this is what we have now. The background has changed. The background has changed. Now have a beautiful background. It's still loading. So what you do here now is you can decide to make it what you want. Okay, let's wait for it to finish up. You can decide to resize your video to any pattern, any part that you want it to be on the background. Okay. Are you tired of Okay. If you scroll to the end of the video, you see that it has automatically changed for you. Okay, so it's applying to everything that we need to get to the video. We apply to every part of the video, so it takes a little time to load depending on the network of the area where you are. Okay, yes, our background is finally removed. Now you click and see. I'm about to share a game-changing tutorial on how to change anything your like background like shaking on this. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Can you see? Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. See, beautiful background. There is nothing shaking there. Now, who will tell you that this is not my house? Who will tell you that this is not my apartment? Is this not so real? Extra real and so beautiful. So this is how you can change your video background, and those frets you used to have about making your videos. You don't think, how can I show this my wall? How can I show this? You don't need to worry anymore, because you now have experts that has shown you what you need to do. So this is how to change your video background like a pro and come out to the best video that will showcase your brand out there, no matter the kind of background you need, you can get it. You can generate as many as you want. You can change different styles, different house. Who is coming to check whether it's your house background? Be cool. Just enjoy yourself. Do all you need to do. Make your video beautiful, make it bright and better so that it will yield you a good result. So this is how to do all that you need to do. Very short and simple, easy. You don't need two apps. In one app, CapCut, you can do everything that you need to do. Okay, this is how beautiful it looks like. So when you're done, you just click on export and it will be exported. You can decide to play the video to the end to see how it looks like. You can decide to play to the end to see how it looks like. And when you get to this place, we could just click and delete, so that it will not be showing that ending that will bring out CapCut. Because I used to see several videos online, at the end of it you see it showing CapCut to tell people that this is where you've done your editing. All right, and again, another thing you need to know is that this aspect now, I think the changing of background is on pro. Sometimes you see it on pro, sometimes you see it's free of charge, to use for free, because many of their features is for free. But that of background removal, most times is it. Sometimes you see it on free, sometimes you see it as pro, depending on the time you're using it. Okay, so if it's on pro, what you do is to screen record the video. Okay, screen record the video and you get what you need. All right, but if it's not on pro, you can just download, export. When you click on export, I'm not exporting this one now, but when you click on export, it will save to your gallery, right, just as you want it. But if you're not on pro, because I am on pro, that is why I can easily download it. If you're not on pro and it's showing you pro, which means that you need to pay, they charge, I think, 9,000 plus or 12,000 plus per month for pro to use some of the features, but you don't actually need it. Okay, so you just screen record the video and use. But if it is free, you can just click on export and you export the video. All right, okay, let's say we are doing this now. We are exporting the video and it will tell you, please don't close CapCut or lock your screen until it finish downloading. Because if you lock your screen, it's not going to finish up with the download. Okay, so like I said, exporting. Okay, we are now exporting the video. Okay, so we call it a day. This is the end of it. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share for more. If you are a return subscriber, thank you for always being here. God bless you. Keep coming again and again and again. By my next video, I'll be showing you how to create your own website in just few minutes. 1 or 2 minutes, you're done creating your own website, and it is for free. I'll show you the AI that you can use to build that website, and when you see it, it's like professional website. So wait for that video. Okay, bye for now.